it's Saoirse here, and it's coffee time. So this is like one of the first buy me a coffee or coffee with Saoirse monthly deals, and so I finally have the time to stop and take a wee bit of coffee here at the Bats in Falcarragh and in Donegal in Ireland. So you're very welcome, and just want to tell you what's been going on. So the good news is a lot's been going on. So I just finished moving all of the videos over from the old Freedom Search International channel and split it off with Travels with Saoirse. So those will be coming up every week all the way through until July right now. And then I have all the new season stuff coming in. Now the Falcarragh Viaduct Railway disaster video that we did in January, that is one for season 5, so that's the one for this year. And then I'll be throwing in some season 5 videos as we go along. And if you haven't seen that video, check it out. It's really good. It's sad, but it's good, and it's something that we should remember. And since we did that video, we had the 100-year memorial for that Falcarragh Viaduct Railway disaster that happened in 1925, so it's 100 years ago this year. And also I found out more information, so I'll probably be doing at least 1 or 2 more videos on that coming up. And then we have the Finton Railway, we'll do that one. And I'm going to finish out the Capital City series for the 7 Celtic nations. So we have those to finish out. I probably have 4 or 5 more of those today. And so there's just so much going on, and I hope you really like the videos and such. And if you'd like, in this group on the Buy Me a Coffee, if you make a comment or email, you're going to get an answer straight away. And that's the whole purpose of it. So I just wanted to take some time and share that with you. And looking forward to all the exciting videos that are coming up for Travels with Saoirse for 2025. So see you there. Scannánaithe, Scannánaithe.